Today, we're diving into the world of smart home technology with the Orbit B-hyve 12-zone smart indoor-outdoor sprinkler controller, a game-changer for efficient watering solutions. This innovative device takes the hassle out of garden maintenance by offering automatic watering with precision, saving you both time and effort. Whether you need it indoors or outdoors, this versatile system provides maximum flexibility for installation, making it perfect for any yard or garden setup. The easy-to-use drip irrigation timer ensures hassle-free management of your garden's watering needs, promoting healthy plant growth. With its ability to automatically adjust to weather conditions and specific plant watering requirements, this smart controller truly offers versatile automatic irrigation. Plus, the wireless feature allows you to adjust your sprinklers from anywhere, transforming your home into an intelligent oasis. Stay tuned as we explore how this cutting-edge technology can revolutionize your garden care routine. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.